Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off app sounds on the application of Pinterest. Here we go to Pinterest app. In this page, you click on this sign. On above, you can click on this list. Here on this page, you will go to account management. Then in this list, you can click on this sign. If the sign changes, then you can know how to turn off app sounds on the application of Pinterest. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.